In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop builder in Mailerlite. We'll move from the dashboard into the editor so you can confidently assemble an email with clear text, images, buttons, and more using simple drag and drop. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard. From the main navigation, choose campaigns to see your active items and drafts. Find the campaign you want to work on, then select Edit to open its setup screen. On that screen, click Edit Content. This takes you straight into the drag and drop builder, where your email canvas appears in the center and your toolbox of content blocks sits on the left. You'll see blocks for common elements you'll use in almost every message. Text is where you add paragraphs and headings. Image lets you place photos or graphics. Button creates a clear call to action. Divider adds a horizontal line to separate sections, and spacer introduces empty breathing room without extra text. Video is for YouTube or Vimeo links, so you can showcase a clip with a clickable preview. Columns lets you build multi-column layouts for side-by-side content. Social adds icon links to your profiles. To place anything, click and hold a block on the left, drag it into the email, and drop it where you want it to land. As you hover, a placement guide shows the exact spot the block will occupy. After you drop a block, click it to edit the content right on the canvas and use the settings panel to fine-tune alignment, colors, fonts, links, and spacing. Use a text block at the top for a strong headline, then follow with short paragraphs for readability. When adding an image, upload your file or choose one from your library. Add descriptive alt text for accessibility, and size it so it looks crisp without overpowering the layout. For a button, write a clear action phrase, set the destination link, and increase padding so it's easy to tap on mobile. Dividers and spacers are simple but powerful. Small amounts of separation can make each section scan-friendly. With the video block, paste the link and let the builder generate a clickable preview, which is ideal for tutorials or announcements. If you need side-by-side elements, drag in a columns block first, then drop text, image, or button blocks inside each column. 2 columns are usually a good balance across devices. Finish with a social block near the footer so readers can connect with you elsewhere. You can always drag blocks to reorder them or remove anything you don't need. And that's the full flow, from dashboard to builder, then dragging, dropping, and editing blocks to shape a clean, effective email.